How to use Hireit for personal use. Download and install Hireit, which is exclusively available on the Google Play Store, and then proceed to register. Here is a sample scenario. One is looking for an electrician to install a breaker and outlet. He tried asking Hireit if she knows anyone, but she also doesn't know one. Don't worry, this will be the right app for you. Step 1. Click the See All button on the home page, and then select the relevant categories where your service provider might be listed. Then look for the electrician handyman in the subcategories, as that is what we are specifically looking for. Step 2. Browse the list of service providers for that particular category. You can check their distance, ratings and reviews, and the minimum price for their service. You can also filter them by who is nearest, by their ratings, by their price or their last activity. Step 3. By clicking on a particular service provider, you will be able to see the price for their services and their profile. Additionally, you can view their availability, schedule, read reviews, and check ratings from previous customers. If you are satisfied with what you see, you can go ahead and click the message button to send them a message. Step 4. Discuss the service you would like to request, estimate the service completion date, and discuss the payment type, either cash on delivery or online payment. After that is done, your service provider will send you an offer that contains the details of what you have discussed. If all the mentioned details are included in the offer, simply click Accept Offer. If you have requested cash on delivery, you only need to pay once your service is delivered. This payment option is applicable only for services that involve physical contact with the service provider. Additionally, you should only pay the amount that was discussed in the offer price. We will not impose any extra or hidden charges through the app. Our commission is fixed at 5%, which we will receive from the service provider. If you and the service provider have agreed to use online payment, please go to your profile and deposit funds using our payment partner. Online payment is suitable for services that don't require physical contact. Rest assured that your money is safe. We have implemented a 72-hour clearance period after the service is delivered before the money can be withdrawn. In case any issues arise, we will rely solely on the chat history to determine the validity of refund requests. Therefore, it is important to communicate through our chat system for dispute resolution. Step 5. After accepting the offer, you can optionally share your contact information with the service provider, which we recommend for cash on delivery transaction. For online payment, we recommend solely using our chat messaging system in case any issues arise. After this, simply wait for your service to be delivered. If you come across any problems with the delivery date, please inform your service provider and ask for a reschedule. We suggest leaving the order as it is, instead of canceling it, as that could impact the service provider's rating. Step 6. After the service is completed and you're satisfied with the service that is given to you, we kindly request that you visit the completed orders page to leave your feedback and rating based on the service you have received. Your feedback will serve as a valuable reference for future customers, helping them make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. We hope that this app will eliminate the need for you to rely on Hireit for your service needs. Please don't forget to like our Facebook page.